A very good morning to all, and a warm welcome to Samagamam 2011, the 15th get-together of NSS College of Engineering alumni. A get-together is usually a time for renewing acquaintances, exchanging stories, meeting new members of your family, and reminiscing about your good times. Every memory of friendship shared, even for a short time, is a treasure. Friendship is a treasure that always helps us overcome any kind of difficulty. Friendship is a blessing because it teaches the way to live. On behalf of the NSS family, I welcome you all today for today's function. Now, officially to start the function, I invite Mr. Rajiv TP, the President of NSS College of Engineering alumni, Mr. Deepu Kumar, the Secretary of NSS College of Engineering alumni, Mr. Moideen Nakaraj, Mr. Joseph Rocky, Mr. Ramraj, Mrs. Samina Omar, Mrs. Aruna, Mr. Vinod MP, and Mr. Manu Ravindran to light the lamp. Now that we have officially inaugurated this function, let's start with our cultural programs. So first, we have a Ranga Puja in which Shiva Sudhi is being performed. It is performed by Malavika Babu and Devika Srijit.
Nagendraharaya Trilochanaaya शिवाय गौरी वदनाब्जवृन्द सूर्याय दक्षाध्वर नाशकाय श्रीनीलकण्ठाय वृषध्वजाय तस्मै शिकाराय नमः शिवाय। वसिष्ठ कुम्भोद्भव गौतमार्य मुनीन्द्र देवार्चित शेखराय चन्द्रार्क वैश्वानर लोचनाय तस्मै वकाराय नमः शिवाय। यक्षस्वरूपाय जटाधराय पिनाकहस्ताय सनातनाय दिव्याय देवाय दिगम्बराय तस्मै यकाराय नमः शिवाय। ॐ नमः शिवाय। नमः शिवाय। नमः शिवाय। नमः शिवाय।
Good morning, everybody. We'll be giving a small appreciation certificate for all the participants who are performing in the stage today. So first of all, I would like to welcome Mr. Moideen for giving the certificate of appreciation to Malavika Babu, Devika Srijit, thank you, Mr. Moideen.
Next, we have a dance by Ananthan Nair and Arundhati Nair on the song Madurakkinavin.
ഒരു മധുരക്കിനാവിൻ ലഹരിയിലെങ്ങോ കുടമുല്ലപ്പൂ വിരിഞ്ഞു അതിലായിരം ആശകളാൽ ഒരു പൊൻവല നെയ്യും തേൻ വണ്ടു ഞാൻ അലരേ തേൻ വണ്ടു ഞാൻ ഒരു മധുരക്കിനാവിൻ ലഹരിയിലെങ്ങോ കുടമുല്ലപ്പൂ വിരിഞ്ഞു അതിലായിരം ആശകളാൽ ഒരു പൊൻവല നെയ്യും തേൻ വണ്ടു ഞാൻ അലരേ തേൻ വണ്ടു ഞാൻ. അധരമൃത ജലശേഖരം നയന മദന ശിശിരാവൃതം ചിരിമണിയിൽ ചെറുകിളികൾ മേഘനീലമൊഴുകി വരൂ പൂഞ്ചുരുൾ ചായൽ എന്തൊരു മാദം എന്തൊരാവേശം ഒന്ന് പുൽകാൻ ഒന്നാകുവാൻ അഴകേ ഒന്നാകുവാൻ അതിലായിരം ആശകളാൽ ഒരു പൊൻവല നെയ്യും തേൻ വണ്ടു ഞാൻ അലരേ തേൻ വണ്ടു ഞാൻ. നദികളൊഴുകുന്നതോ കനകനിധികളുതിരുന്നതോ പനിമഴയോ പുലരൊളിയോ കാലഭേദമെഴുതിയൊരു കാവ്യസംഗീതം കന്നിത്താരുണ്യം സ്വർണ്ണത്തെ കിണ്ണം അതിൽ വീഴും തേൻ വണ്ടു ഞാൻ നനയും തേൻ വണ്ടു ഞാൻ ഒരു മധുരക്കിനാവിൻ ലഹരിയിലെങ്ങോ കുടമുല്ലപ്പൂ വിരിഞ്ഞു അതിലായിരം ആശകളാൽ ഒരു പൊൻവല നെയ്യും തേൻ വണ്ടു ഞാൻ അലരേ തേൻ വണ്ടു ഞാൻ.
Okay, now I would like to invite Mr. Ramraj for giving the certificate to Anandan Nayak and to Arundhati Nayak. Thank you, Mr. Ramraj.
Now let's move on to the next program. It's a group dance and the participants are Vinaya Thomas, Hridya Lakshmi Santosh, Hazel George, Harita Manoj, Priyanka, Siddharth Rajiv, Sharat Nambyar, Nikhil, Anjali and Saira, and they are going to perform on the song Sharige Ninne Kanan.
Now, giving certificates for them, I would like to invite Mr. Kishore on stage, Vinaya Thomas, Ridhya Lakshmi Santosh, Hazel George, Harida Manoj, Priyanka, Siddharth Rajiv, Sharath Nambiar, Nikhil, Anjali, and Sara. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Kishore.
That was a cute performance. Next, we have a Nadodi Nirtam, which was choreographed by Mr. Gokula Vasan. It briefly explains about the 12 months of Malayalam calendar and the connected festivals.
Mahashailam Omkaramandra Puridam Naradadi Muni Pujidam Dhana Dhana Nopura Madhura Sinjidam Gujadi Pada Pangajam Dakshanigrahe Samhara Tandavam Mohini Darshane Sringara Lasyam Nagahara Bhushanam Mupurandaga Shri Sadivallabha Namamyaham. Sasamaga sanida nisaga mama gama maga da manida bama sanida. Nida da da nida nida bada bama gaga ga saga samaga da manida nida nida da da. Saga sagama sagama da da gama da ma da ni sa ni ri sa ni da da ni ni ma da da gama da ni saga sagama ga ni da gama da ni da ni da ni da da ga ri da ga ri ni da ga ni da gama ma ma ga ri da ni da ba ma gama da ni da 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 gama gama ma ma da ni ni da ni da ri da ni da sa sa ma ma ga ri da ni da gama gama ma da ri da ni ni ri da ga ri ni ma ma ga ri da ni da ga ri da ni da ba ma gama da ni sa ga ma. കലയുടെ കൈത്തിരിയേന്തി കാൽത്തളനാദമുയർത്തി കണ്ണിനയിൽ രസഭാവവുമായി ഞങ്ങൾ കണിയരങ്ങുണർത്തുന്നു വേദിയിൽ നടനമാടിടുന്നു. വർഷത്തിൽ 12 മാസവും വൈവിധ്യപൂർണമായി മാറും ഈ മലയാളത്തിൽ. ഹിന്ദുവും ഇസ്ലാമും ക്രൈസ്തവരും ഇവിടെ സോദരരെ പോലെ വാണിടുന്നു. ഗ്രാമത്ത് മങ്കമാർ താളത്തിൽ കൈകൊട്ടി കുമ്മി കളിച്ചിടുന്നേ. അഷ്ടമി രോഹിണി കാളിയവർദ്ധകൻ ഗോപാലകൃഷ്ണന്റെ ജന്മദിനം. ഗുരുവായൂരിൽ വാഴും കണ്ണന് ചിങ്ങമാസത്തിൽ പിറന്നാള്. ആദിത്യ കിരണങ്ങൾ പൊൻപ്രഭ ചാർത്തുന്ന കന്നിമാസം ഈ കൈരളിയിൽ നവരാത്രി പൂജയും ആയുധ പൂജയും ദുർഗാഷ്ടമിയും ഈ നാളുകളിൽ ഐഗിരി നന്ദിനി നന്ദിതമേദിനി വിശ്വവിനോദിനി നന്ദനുദേ. ജയ ജയ ഹേ മഹിഷാസുരമർദിനി രമ്യതവർദിനി ശൈലസുതേ. വർഷമേഘങ്ങൾ പെരുമ്പറ കൊട്ടുമ്പോൾ തോരാത്ത പേമാരി തുലാമതിൽ സർപ്പദോഷത്തിനായി മണ്ണാറശാലയിൽ ആയില്യം വഴിപാടും തുലാമതിൽ. വരിക വരിക നീ നാഗരാജാവേ, വരിക വരിക നീ ഈ കളത്തിൽ. വൃശ്ചികമാസം മണ്ഡലകാലം അയ്യപ്പ സ്വാമിക്ക് തീർത്ഥാടനം. തിരുമുടി കെട്ടുമായ അയ്യപ്പ ഭക്തന്മാർ ശബരിമലയിലെത്തും പുണ്യകാലം. സ്വാമി ദിന്തകത്തോ അയ്യപ്പ ദിന്തകത്തോ, അയ്യപ്പ ദിന്തകത്തോ സ്വാമി ദിന്തകത്തോ. ഹിമകണം പൊഴിയുന്ന ധനുമാസരാവിൽ നക്ഷത്ര വിളക്കുകൾ തെളിഞ്ഞിടുന്നു. സർവേശപുത്രനാം ശ്രീയേശുനാഥൻ മാനവരക്ഷയ്ക്കായി പിറന്നുവല്ലോ. മലയാള നാട്ടിൽ വിളവെടുപ്പ് മകരമാസം ഇത് കൊയ്ത്തുകാലം. അങ്ങിക്കരയിലെ കൊച്ചു പെണ്ണെ ഇങ്ങിക്കരയിലെ നീലി പെണ്ണെ ചിണ്ടനും ദേവി കാളി ചൊയ്യും താളത്തിൽ കൊയ്യണ കാണുന്നില്ലേ. പയ്യാരം ചൊല്ലാതെ പോഴാച്ചാ നീ വെക്കട്ട് കേറുവാൻ നോക്കണ്ട നീ. കൊയ്ത്തും കഴിഞ്ഞല്ലോ മെതിയും കഴിഞ്ഞല്ലോ പദവും വേണ്ടോളം കിട്ടിയല്ലോ. കൈപ്പൂയ കാവടിയാട്ടം മകരത്തിൽ മുരുകൻ കോവിലിൽ കാവടിയാട്ടം. പിതൃതർപ്പണം ചെയ്ത് മോക്ഷപ്രാപ്തിയേകും ശിവരാത്രി പൂജയത് കുംഭമാസത്തിൽ. കാൽക്കളനാദമുയർത്തി അരമണി മേളമുയർത്തി ഉറഞ്ഞാടു കോമരം കാവുതീണ്ടുമ്പോൾ കൊടുങ്ങല്ലൂരമ്മയ കണ്ണകി ദേവിതൻ ഉത്സവം കൊണ്ടാടും മീനമാസമാണിത്. താനാരോ തന്നാരോ തന താനാരോ തന്നാരോ താനാരോ തന്നാരോ തന താനാരോ തന്നാരോ. മേടപ്പുലർക്കാലമെത്തുന്നി മണ്ണിൽ ഭിക്ഷുപക്ഷി പാടുന്ന പല്ലവിയാ. കണ്ണനെ കണി കണ്ട് കൈനീട്ടം വാങ്ങി കേരളമുണരുന്നു വിഷുദിനത്തിൽ. പൂരത്തിൻ പെരുമകൾ നിറയെ വാരോളം ഉയർത്തിയ തൃശൂർ പൂരവും മേടമാസത്തിൽ തന്നെ. ഇടവപ്പാതിയിൽ കുളിരുന്നു കൈരളി വർഷമേഘം തുടികൊട്ടിടുന്നു. മെക്കായിൽ നിന്നുള്ള ദിവ്യപ്രവാചകൻ നബി തിരുമേനിതൻ ജന്മദിനം. മലയോര കുടികളിൽ ഉത്സവമേളം കരിങ്കാളി അമ്മയ്ക്ക് തിറയാട്ടം. മിഥുന മാസത്തിൽ കാടിന്റെ മക്കൾക്ക് തുണികൊട്ട് പാട്ടും കൂത്താട്ടവും. എന്റെ മാടത്തിന് കുട്ടിന് പോയേ കപ്രാരൻ മാടത്തിന് കുട്ടിന് വന്നേ. തുഞ്ചന്റെ ശാരിക പാടുന്നു നീളെ രാമായണ കഥ കർക്കിടകത്തിൽ. സീതതൻ ദുഃഖവും രാമന്റെ ശപഥവും പാടുന്നു കൈരളി കർക്കിടകത്തിൽ. മതങ്ങളെല്ലാം ഒന്നാണിവിടെ, മാനവരെല്ലാം ഒന്നാണിവിടെ. സത്യം സമത്വം സാഹോദര്യം നിരതം പുലരും मुरलीधरौ पार्वती परमेश्वरम्
To do the honors, I call upon stage Mr. Mohan VG, who is also our main sponsor. Thank you, sir, for your support on behalf of NSS alumni. Akhila Sharif, Gayatri Indukuma, Jeta Indukuma, Smriti Soni, Shilpa Nilakandan, Megha Manoj. Thank you.
In between, I would like to mention our main sponsors, Matar Engineering Construction, co-sponsors Techon, Mahmood Building Systems, TPM Project Management, Al-Ikha Group. And the supporting sponsors are UAE Exchange, Kantud Group, Sipka Electronics, Danfoss, Yunus Electrical Engineering, Ron Group of Companies, Town Square General Maintenance, Ranco Group, Gromo International Engineering Consultants, Eurotech, Oasis Printing Press LLC, Intex Systems, Al Salam Electronics LLC, and Fast Track. Next, we have our little Prabhudevas and Tabus dancing on Arane Arane.
ആരാന്നേ ആരാന്നേ ഒത്തു പിടിക്കുന്ന ആരാന്നേ തീയാടാൻ തിറയാടാൻ മാണിക്ക കാതിലുറഞ്ഞാടാൻ ഓനാന്ന് ഓനാന്ന് എത്തു പിടിക്കണതോനാന്ന് നേരാന്നേ നേരാന്നേ കൂട്ടിന് വന്നത് വരാന്നേ മണ്ണാന്ന് മണ്ണാന്ന് പൊന്നു വിളയണ മണ്ണാന്ന് പോയോരും വന്നോരും ചോര പൊടിച്ചൊരു മണ്ണാന്ന് അതിരെല്ലാം കെട്ടണ് കെട്ടണ് അതിരെല്ലാം പാട്ടണ് പാട്ടണ് നിറ പറയണ നിറയണേ കണ്ടിര കണ്ടാറ അതിരെല്ലാം കെട്ടണ് കെട്ടണ് അതിരെല്ലാം പാട്ടണ് പാട്ടണ് നിറ പറയണ നിറയണേ കണ്ടിര കണ്ടാറ ആരാന്നേ ആരാന്നേ ഒത്തു പിടിക്കുന്നതാരാന്നേ തീയാടാൻ തിറയാടാൻ മാണിക്ക കവിലുറഞ്ഞാടാൻ
നമ്മള് തുടി കൊട്ടി അടിവെച്ച് താളമിട്ടല്ലേ തട്ടുടുത്ത് ഞൊറിയിട്ട് കുറിയിട്ടോര് ഒന്നു വട്ടമിട്ട് കൈ കൊട്ടി പൂപ്പൊലി പാടാം
കുമിര കുമിര കുടി കൊട്ടിന തകിട തകിട തകതിത്തന തെലുന്തു തെലുന്തു വിള വിളക്കി പറ 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 കൊണ്ടട ഉയിരിൻ ഉയിരെ പാടൂ നമ്മളൊന്നല്ലേ കതിരെല്ലാം കെട്ടണ് കെട്ടണ് പതിരെല്ലാം പാട്ടണ് പാട്ടണ് നിറ പറയണ നിറയട്ടെ തന്തിര തന്താറ കതിരെല്ലാം കെട്ടണ് കെട്ടണ് പതിരെല്ലാം പാട്ടണ് പാട്ടണ് നിറ പറയണ നിറയട്ടെ തന്തിര തന്താറ ആരാന്നേ ആരാന്നേ ഒത്തു പിടിക്കുന്നതാരാന്നേ തീയാടാൻ തിറയാടാൻ മാണിക്ക കാതിലുറഞ്ഞാടാൻ ഓനാന്ന് ഓനാന്ന് എത്തു പിടിക്കുന്നതോണാന്ന് നേരാന്നേ നേരാന്നേ പിന്നെ വന്നത് വരാന്നേ
മണ്ണാന്ന് മണ്ണാന്ന്
പഠിച്ചൊരു മണ്ണാണ് അതിരെല്ലാം കെട്ടണ് കെട്ടണ് അതിരെല്ലാം പാട്ടണ് പാട്ടണ് നിറയണേ തന്തിര തന്നാറ അതിരെല്ലാം കെട്ടണ് കെട്ടണ് അതിരെല്ലാം പാട്ടണ് പാട്ടണ് നിറയണേ തന്തിര തന്നാറ അതിരെല്ലാം കെട്ടണ് കെട്ടണ് അതിരെല്ലാം പാട്ടണ് പാട്ടണ് നിറയണേ തന്തിര തന്നാറ അതിരെല്ലാം കെട്ടണ് കെട്ടണ് അതിരെല്ലാം പാട്ടണ് പാട്ടണ്
To do the honors, I call upon stage Mr. George Verghese, Lakia Sharif, Tarun Praveen, Gopika Ravi, Nived Kalyar, Prarthana Unikrishnan, Vidhu Jayaraj. Thank you, sir.
The UAE Exchange New Year Fest promotions. You can win 2 Nissan Sunny cars and 1 Nissan Etera. Vouchers up to 1 million dirhams. Promotion from December 1st to February 3rd. And the mega draw is on 6th February. So you are enjoying the function? No response at all. Come on. Yes. So next we have a group dance on an old Janaki Amma song, Margadi Tingalalava. I hope you all remember the song. And the participants are Revati Ravi, Navami Kalyath, Shreya Neelakandan, Badra Sudhir, Lakshmi Ramesh, Snigdha Manoj, and Shreya Suresh.
போதுமினோ
சூடித்தந்த சுடற்கொடியே சோகத்தை நிறுத்தி விடு நாளை வரும் மாலை என்று நம்பிக்கை வளர்த்து விடு நம்பிக்கை வளர்த்து விடு நம் காதல் ஜோதி கலையும் ஜோதி கலைமகள் மகளே வாவா காதல் ஜோதி கலையும் ஜோதி ஜோதி எப்படி ஜோதியை எரிக்கும் ஜோதி எப்படி ஜோதியை எரிக்கும் வா
I would like to call upon stage Mr. Rajiv TP, who is also the president of our alumni, to give the certificates to the participants. Revati Ravi, Navami Kalyan, Shreya Nilakandan, Bhadra Sudhir, Lakshmi Ramesh, Snigdha Manoj, Shreya Sudesh.
A lucky draw is being organized by Wayanad Silver Woods. You don't want to know what it is? It's a one-day stay free which they are giving you. So it will be held at the end of the program. Let's see who the lucky winner is. Next, we have a break dance, and the participants are Lahan Abdullah, Lana Fatima, Amjad Bashir, Atif Siddiqui, Hiba Siddiqui, Jitin Jyoti Krishnan, Jayajit Jyoti Krishnan, and Pranav Unikrishnan.
I would like to call upon stage Mr. Premachandran to give away the certificates to the participants.
Lahan Abdullah, Lana Fatima, Amjad Bashir, Atif Siddiqui, Hiba Siddiqui, Jitin Jyoti Krishna, Jayajit Jyoti Krishna, Pranav Unikrishna.
That was Hiba who was doing the acrobats. Next we have a group dance by the senior girls on our festival Onam, and the participants are Aishwarya Kishore, Amrita Kishore, Aishwarya Anil, Shalin Shersha, Sharin Shersha, and Shruti Nambiar.
ತಿಂದಗ 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 ತೈ ತೈ ತಿಂದಗ ತಿಂದಗ ತಗದು ತಿಂದಗ 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 ತೈ ತೈ ತಿಂದಗ 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 ತೈ ತೈ ತಿಂದಗ 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 ತೈ ತೈ ತಿಂದಗ ತಿಂದಗ ತಗದು
And to collect the certificates from Mr. Sunil, I would like to invite Aishwarya Kishore, Amrita Kishore, Aishwarya Ani, Shalin Shersha, Sherin Shersha, and Shruti Nambiar. Thank you.
Now a little rest from the cultural programs. We'll move on to our official function. To give the welcome speech, I would like to request Mrs. Shamina Omar to come on stage. I forgot to mention some of our supporting sponsors: Omega Engineering, Dafir Engineering, Musa Safar Services, and Jasubai Group. Mr. Rajiv TP, our president. The KERA president, Mr. Bhaskar. Mr. Mohan VG, our main sponsor from Atar Engineering. And Mr. Deepak Kumar, our secretary.
A very good morning to one and all present here. It gives me immense pleasure to address you on this occasion of NSS College of Engineering Alumni, UAE Chapter's 16th annual get-together, Samagamam 11. An incredible occasion for all NSSians. A day like this is very important as it gives us the opportunity to meet with many of our college friends after a long time. This is an occasion to reminisce the 4 years we spent at our alma mater. I feel privileged to welcome you all to this wonderful event. I'm very much delighted to see the gathering here. On behalf of NSS College of Engineering Alumni UAE Chapter, allow me to tender my gratitude to each and every one of you for finding time to be with us today. We have KERA President Bhaskar Golapude and Mr. Mohan VG of Matar as chief guests here. Sir, I welcome each one of you to this occasion. Thank you for being here, sir. You have already enjoyed some of the curtain riser programs. Many magical moments are yet to come, glittered by wonderful performers from our group. So I don't want to waste your time with a long speech. May this get-together give you all many memorable moments to share with our friends. Before I come to close, once again to all of you, thank you for being here. A warm welcome and enjoy Samagam 11. Thank you.
Next, I would request Mr. Rajiv TP to give the presidential address.
Fellow alumni members, families, and children, wishing you all a good day today. The last 1 year, leading the alumni organization was a pleasure for me and also a responsibility. Even though I have felt that it has been hectic at times, I must admit that I had enjoyed the leadership thoroughly. Primarily because of the wonderful team I had, which enabled us to undertake and complete various programs, events, and activities. During the year, when we took over, the new EXCOM, when we took over in December last year, we had set ourselves 3 major targets to achieve in this year. One of them was to induct youth into the alumni frontline. Over the years, we have seen that the alumni administration has got the same familiar old faces. So we felt that it is necessary to induct youth, mostly the people who have passed out from the college after 2000, into the front line, so that there will be some fresh energy and which will also increase the participation level in our programs and events. On that venture, I must say that we have been quite successful because we have a cricket team which plays every week on Fridays. 25 of our alumni members participate in that practice sessions. Similarly, we have another 25 footballers playing every week or even more than a week. In the cultural side, if we take today's cultural activity, this is the 4th activity in this calendar year, which includes our Onagarsham festival in Abu Dhabi in September, 2 of KERA's programs, KERA Ulsavam and KERA annual days. So if you look at that in detail, we'll see that for every cultural activity, we need about a month of preparation, basically which means all our singers, dancers, and performers are meeting each other quite regularly without any intervals as such. So in that sense, we have made quite an achievement in bringing new faces and youth into the alumni mainstream. Another target which we set ourselves was to conduct more and more quality programs and also to increase the frequency of programs. We had set ourselves to have at least 1 program per month throughout the year. And I'm happy to tell you that we have achieved that, taking both alumni, NSS alumni programs and also our programs in the KERA platform. And the third major target we took was to focus more on charities, because we always felt that we are blessed with more facilities and fortunes, and we should share with the less privileged within our community. And I'm proud to tell you that we have successfully completed 2 charity programs in this year, and the third one is in the process, which will be completed today. The details of the calendar activities are displayed in the LCD screens, and also our General Secretary's annual report will elaborate on those. We also have been able to contribute a considerable amount to the alumni structure which is being built in our college in Palakkad. But in spite of all this, I think there is much more we can achieve. And for the future, to the coming executive committee, what I can say, my suggestion to them, or the target from the current committee to the next committee, is to basically try to get, see, we have about 600 to 700 alumni living in the UAE, but we can see only 300 or 350 here today, and our monthly programs cover only about 100 and 150 odd members. So one target is to reach to all these people and get them into the mainstream. And another target could be, in spite of all the sports, arts, and cultural activities which we have, what we should not forget is that we are essentially an engineering community, and we should have more and more programs, seminars, and workshops related to technology and engineering. I think we were a bit behind on that in this current year. As a self-criticism, I take it. And another area probably we could focus is on our children. I think we can have programs for their personality development, career guidance, and inducting some leadership qualities in them. With this, I conclude my short speech, I suppose, and wish you all a good evening. And I close my speech. Thank you.
Next, I would request Mr. Bhaskar to speak a few words.
Good morning, everybody. Actually, Fridays are the day we refresh ourselves, rejuvenate. And what better way to refresh ourselves than seeing 50-odd children. Really, actually, they were flying on the stage. It was really a pleasure. And it is nice. I don't know, a program, I think I counted something very close to 50. Already there are 50 children on the stage, and I don't know how many are going to come. It was really refreshing. It's hats off to NSS alumni that they are able to put such quality programs. Let me first thank Mr. Rajiv for inviting me and giving me an opportunity to address you. And I wish NSS College further more successful events like this, and the rest of the day, I hope you will all be enjoying and make the best of the day. A word that was actually, now I have started my term with KERA in May. It's approaching the halfway mark. And it is nice to see, actually, Mr. Rajiv, when he said he was counting the cultural events which NSS has put forward, he also included a couple of KERA events. That is very heartening to hear that KERA is, like, he's considering KERA to be an integral part of NSS. I think it has been nice on NSS to look at that approach. You have been one of the leading in having that approach. I have seen in other alumni where they don't think of KERA in their annual days like this, and that was very nice to see. Thank you. And also, he talked about KERA platform. That is, using his word, KERA platform. KERA platform is always available for more and more participation from NSS. They have been doing that. I'm sure they will continue. And he also talked about more participation from others in NSS administration. I think that is a common problem everywhere. Even I would stress on his request that more people come forward, because more of you working for NSS means will be more of us working for KERA as well. So with these words, I thank Mr. Rajiv and other dignitaries once again. Thank you.
Next, I would request Mr. V.G. Mohan.
Alumni President Rajiv, Mr. Bhaskar, Secretary, and all alumni members, their families, and our guests. I and my company, Matar Engineering, is always cooperating for this alumni function, and almost all the years, except 2 years since inception, I am sponsoring this great event. And all we are here, or all our family members, in this get-together, we get a platform to share our feelings, our nostalgic feelings. And NSS alumni have, I think, maximum number of engineers in this country. Of course, this platform gives our children say the first step platform for performance and to develop their skills and show their skills, and they get a good platform here. And looking to UAE, and we still have to reach so many members of our college, and every year we are lucky to get at least a few members. Even those people are working here for many years, they are coming now, and we get at least a few members more every year. We are lucky for that. And also in this time, in our host country and our home country, we are facing through a lot of problems. And in UAE, especially we are facing the global recession, and many of our friends or many of the companies are facing so many problems. So this meeting or this platform will give us to share, if anybody can help each other or discuss about their future. And it is very, we have to take this opportunity on this meeting also for that. And in our home country, now we are facing a very difficult situation about this Mullaperiyar Dam. Dam construction, dam decommissioning, seismic problems, and disaster management. All these are interest to our engineering people. So we have to discuss, or we have to discuss in future meeting. Of course, maybe in the CARA and all these things, we have to discuss seriously about our problems facing immediately in our home country. Anyhow, I'm not talking too much, and I hope everybody will share their feelings and will take this opportunity again and again to help each other and contact each other, and whatever way they can assist each other. Okay? Thank you very much for this one. Thank you.
Next, I would request our Secretary, Mr. Deepu Kumar, to give the reporting address.
Morning, everyone. Annual report of NSSC Alumni UAE Chapter. NSS College of Engineering, Palakkad Alumni UAE Chapter is a group of over 700 engineers spread all over UAE, working in senior management cadre and key technical position of reputed organization in both government and private sectors. The Alumni UAE Chapter has been active since 1996 and stays as a link between parent college alumni, promoting goodwill and mutual assistance among the members, encouraging current students in their educational pursuits through scholarship and student support activities. It is my pleasure to stand before you today on the 16th annual family get-together of Alumni UAE Chapter. We are all overwhelmed with the responses and support we got during our tenure, and a brief report of activities summarized as follows. Alumni activities. Serene dynamism. In this modern world, it is very difficult to wish away stress and tensions of day-to-day life. We thought it is best way to embrace it while maintaining serenity internally and being dynamic externally. A seminar was conducted on serene dynamism at Etisalat Academy Conference Hall, and fairly good response we got to that event. Our next event was photography workshop, which was conducted on 24th June 2011. Frames and Frames, photographic and digital video workshop was held at Flora Grand Hotel, Dubai. People from not only NSS, but from other colleges also attended in the workshop. The workshop was enriched with the in-depth knowledge of the presenters and the interactive sessions on different aspects of photography and digital video. Mr. Omar Sharif of our own alumni family handled the digital video workshop. It was rated as one of the best events we conducted in this year. Iftar parties. Iftar parties were conducted both in Dubai and Abu Dhabi during the Ramadan. Onam and Eid celebrations. Onam and Eid celebration was conducted on 13th September at KSC Hall in Abu Dhabi. More than 300 people participated in the full-day event comprising cultural program, Pookalam, Onasadhya, etc. Alumni website. The executive committee has put effort to revamp the Alumni UAE Chapter website. Further modification is required, which we are inviting your suggestions also. Ormachep Alumni Blog. The executive committee revamped the alumni blog Ormachep with the intention to create a platform to post creations of alumni members. We got a lot of valuable posts and request all of your continued support and post the blog. Today we are honoring the bloggers in the Ormachep in this event also. KERA. There were remarkable participation from NSSE Alumni UAE Chapter in various programs conducted under the umbrella of KERA. The efforts of our alumni members in organizing the events were thankfully praised by KERA executive committees. Few of the KERA events where active participations of NSSE alumni were involved as follows. Kerolsavam, a first of its kind event conducted under KERA umbrella. The event was convened by Anurup of NSSCE. A typical Ulsoparam was replicated in the beautiful lush green ground of Etisalat Academy, Dubai. The program was a runaway success with Panchavadyam, elephant, record dance, cyclejam, ballroom and Tattigadas. Over 3,000 people attended this Ulsavam. The feedback was overwhelming. In fact, there were even comments like the best event attended in 25 years in Middle East life. Agdethara Tattigada arranged by NSSC alumni was well prized by everyone. Thalam 2011. Thalam 2011, a musical night with family was conducted in ISC Abu Dhabi. It was a unique chance to members of KERA to display their music skill. There were noted participations from NSSCE alumni in the event. KERA Young Science Talent Search. It was again a first of its kind program in the UAE. Children from not only of KERA family but also from all Indian schools across UAE got an opportunity to showcase their talent and express their aptitude in front of renowned judges. KERA invited technical synopsis from students wide over the schools in UAE in senior and junior categories, and shortlisted projects were presented. There was notable participation from the children of NSS alumni. This program won accolades from Indian consulate and others. This program separates us from the average alumni organization programs. KERA Annual Day, another wonderful event. The event was convened by NSSCians. Main program was directed and choreographed by NSSC alumni. Santosh Chivan was the chief guest. There was remarkable participation from NSC alumni organization in the event. Thomas V. Joseph of our alumni has elected as the treasurer of KERA Executive Committee 2011 and 12. KERA YLP. KERA Youth Leadership Program was conducted on July 22nd to August 6, 2011. There was remarkable participation from children of NSC alumni. KERA Project Management Training. The KERA Project Management Training has conducted at Al Futtaim Training Center. There was also notable participation from NSC alumni in the training. Sports activities. We are happy to inform you all that we got strong teams for cricket and football. The teams are practicing every week, and we thank all of the players and coordinators in keeping the momentum. KERA Football. 16 teams of various engineering colleges participated in the tournament. Defending champions, NSSCE re-established their supremacy in style, beating Kannur this time in the finals. NSSB team was reached up to the semi-final also. ACAF Cricket, our cricket team put up a good performance in the tournament. KERA Cricket 2011. There were 2 KERA cricket tournaments conducted during the tenure of current EXCOM. We were the runners-up of 2010-2011 match, while we reached up to the semi-final of recently conducted KERA cricket tournament 2011. The scintillating performance by NSS team were praised by everyone. Charities. We are delighted on the warm responses we got on the different charity activities undertaken. The first charity activity was the financial support to Donna. It was come to our attention about Donna, a highly skilled athlete studying in NSSCE through our alumni members. We knew that her parents are not economically sound to train her on her sporting item, pole vaulting. NSSCE alumni UA chapter decided to have a charity drive to help Donna, and we were able to collect UAE dirham 8,150. Subsequently, we made order and arranged to deliver the pole suits for her at NSSCE. With the remaining fund, the executive committee has decided to pay her training expenses. It is our pleasure to inform you that she got silver medal in high jump and bronze medal in pole vaulting in the recent university meet, despite all obstacles she was facing with. Financial support to Arshid Ali. Arshid Ali was a semester 8 student of NSSCE alumni, NSSCE, and he got serious injury on his index finger during a quarter-final match of Calicut University zonal cricket tournament. He hails from a poor family, and his parents were not able to support his treatment expenses. The subject was brought to our attention, and Alumni UA chapter transferred Indian rupee 12,000 to meet his treatment expenses. It is our pleasure to inform you that he got selected in TCS through campus interview and currently undergoing training in TCS campus in Chennai. Financial support to late Mr. Abu Bakr family. It was came to our attention of the plight of Abu Bakr, who passed away in 2008 due to Marfan's syndrome, and his children also are affected by the same disease. There is no permanent cure to this disease, and regular treatment is the only way, which is costlier. Alumni UA chapter decided to raise a fund to support Abu Bakr family, and the collection is progressing now. We would request all of your generous contribution to this charity drive. Those who are like to contribute to this charity, you can hand over your contribution to us, any of the executive members, and we will thankfully remember that one. Parent alumni, we are delighted to inform you that executive committee kept continuous contact with parent alumni and tried to coordinate with our other alumni chapters through parent alumni on various activities. From UA chapter, we have contributed 1.5 lakhs towards the alumni block construction this year. In addition to the contribution given before for second phase of construction of alumni block, we would request all of your continued support to this venture. Major demises. There were a number of people left us during the tenure of the executive committee. Nasrullah Rendathani of 86 electrical batch, Vineet S4 student of NSSCE, Prasanna Kumar, former lecturer in electrical department of NSSCE, wife of Subodh P, 82 to 86 electrical batch, Aditya, son of Anand, 93 civil, and Anjali, 94 civil batch, and many other. I would request one moment silent prayer to tribute their departed soul. Please let us have a 1 moment prayer. Silent prayer. Okay, thank you. To summarize, Faith, I thank all of you on behalf of the executive committee on the extensive support we got all the activities being undertaken. There are fields require improvements, such as effective communication between alumni members, support each other when required, and promote entrepreneurs within our alumni, etc. I take this opportunity to wish all success to the next executive committee. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now we have some gifts to be distributed. So I would like to request Mr. Bhaskar to give out 2 gifts. It's for the best blogger, and it goes to Mr. Mani Prasad of 85 batch, and also Mr. Vijesh P of 2000 batch. Now the next set, it goes for painting, and the winners are Mr. Sajid Kumar of 95 batch, mechanical. He's a painter, singer, and a multi-talented person actually. Mr. Sajid Kumar. Next we have Mrs. Asha Soni, wife of Mr. Soni Thampi, 91 electrical batch. Next we have Mrs. Amrita Kishore, Miss Amrita Kishore, daughter of Mr. Kishore Matthew, and currently a student of NIT Calicut. Next we have Bushra, 93 batch from Abu Dhabi. Mrs. Bushra. Congrats. Sorry, she's 94 batch. Next we have Hazel George and Destiny George, daughters of George Varghese, 89 batch. Thank you, sir. All these paintings are being displayed outside. Do have a look. Now let's conclude this official program. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your presence. Thank you.
La 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 la. Hey, 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 yeah. चांद सिफारिश जो करता हमारी देता वो तुमको बता शर्मो हया के पर्दे गिरा के करनी है हमको खता जिद है अब तो है खुद को मिटाना होना है तुझ में फना चांद सिफारिश जो करता हमारी देता वो तुमको बता शर्मो हया के पर्दे गिरा के करनी है हमको खता गुजर जाने दे तेरी लचक है कि जैसे डाली दिल में उतर जाने दे आजा बाहों में करके बहाना होना है तुझ में फना चांद से बारिश जो करता हमारी देता वो तुमको बता शर्मो हया के पर्दे गिरा के करनी है हमको खता जाओगी तुम धड़कन जो सुना दूं तुमको घबरा ही जाओगी तुम हमको आता नहीं है छुपाना होना है तुझ में फना चांद से बारिश जो करता हमारी देता वो तुमको बता शर्मो हया के पर्दे गिरा के करनी है हमको खता जिद है अब तो है खुद को मिटाना होना है तुझ में फना
रानिया आज़ाद, सिबा सिद्दीकी,
Nihala Azad, Akhila Sharif, and Afnan Bashir. Thank you, ma'am.
Bindu Mohan Kumar. Preeta Rajiv. Bindu Prashant. Sheeja Jayaprakash. Sangeeta Babu. Rekha Suresh, and Mritula. Thank you, Mr. Moideen.